I've decided I'm going to put the big carburetor on, which is this Sudco 33mm. Now I've been waiting for this air filter. I ordered this one first. I wanted a blue one for my bike, and I thought that it would fit on the back of this big carburetor. It won't do it. Either they sent me the wrong size, or I thought I ordered correctly. Then what I did is I ordered this blue thing. Isn't that cool looking? And I thought, wow, this will fit on the Sudco carburetor. No, it doesn't fit either. Then I finally went to California and ordered an uni filter with this big hole in it. And I believe that it's going to fit right like that. The reason I need an air filter is because I don't want any blowback to drop into the clean clutch case and everything else. In order to put this big carburetor on my stock manifold, I need a couple things. One is this $20 adapter for this size inlet right here. It goes right over the top there. The next thing I need is to take the top off the reed valve cage and put this adapter on. And I want to show you the problem I have with this adapter. This is about physics. This adapter works very well for maybe 28mm, 26mm, but not 33mm. As far as you can see when this adapter is put on how much smaller the intake is. Now remember, the engine is an air pump. It depends on how much air fuel you can push through the engine, through the carburetor, through the intake, through the piston, and through the exhaust. With this problem, I have a bottleneck right here. But I'm running up against time because we're hitting October, and I don't know how well this carburetor will work, so I'm just going to put it on and see what happens. It is set at the halfway mark, which we discussed before. Oops. This jet needle is set halfway in its 5 position or medium way as far as gas, letting gas and fuel into the carburetor. I'm going to try it there and see if it bogs it. Then what I'll do is I'll lower the needle and make less fuel come out of the main jet, which is right underneath here. If it still doesn't work, I'll lower it again. If it works too well, then I will raise the needle, or if it acts like it's bogging. All right, let's look at the bike. The weather is it's really nice out, but I'm kind of worried about it.